Hi, now I'm going to show you how to do the pranayama. Pranayama means breathing exercise. Pranayama is the Sanskrit word. Breathing exercise, let us start. I do four types of breathing, including meditation. So, if you sit in Vajrasana, this position, like bend your knees and sit like this, so that will be good. If you cannot sit like this, you can sit, cross your legs and put your one feet on your another thigh, or you can just relax and cross your legs and sit down. So in yoga, breathing is always important. You have to concentrate on how you breathe. That's the main important thing in yoga. So now whenever I do this pranayama, you can, like, this looks funny sometimes, like, but that's how it looks like. So you watch my tummy. I mean, when I breathe in, that my tummy has to pop up. When I breathe out, it will go in. But usually people do the other way. That is wrong actually. People do is like, when they see, I'm used to that normal good one, so I can't even do the wrong one. So usually people, what they do, they inhale means they put the tummy inside. No, that's wrong. Actually, when you inhale, the tummy has to come up. Okay, so that's the proper way. So now you can see. So first thing I am going to do is Loma Viloma. It's like one, I inhale from one nostrils and exhale from the other one. I do that 10 times for one, 10 times for one, and 10 times for one, like the 3 times I do. So I inhale from one nostril and I use these two fingers, thumb and my middle finger. I close my one nostril from my thumb and another one from my middle finger. So the rhythm goes like this: close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. Okay, so let me start. Now I do for the other one. And again I do for the other one. When you do this, you will clear all your nose, like the blocked nose, and if you have cold and flu, and you feel so good when you do this. Only that you will experience when you do this. So when I tell you, you may not be able to feel that, but you won't feel that, but when you do it, you feel that. So this is the first one, Lom Vilom, breathing from one nostril, exhale from this one. Inhale, exhale. So close, open, close, open. So I did 3 times. This is the first one. The second one I'm going to do is called Brahmari. Brahmara means bee, the honeybee. The buzzing sound of honeybee. You could feel it inside you when you make a sound of Om. And you can't hear anything from outside. You can only hear your Om sound, like a bee is buzzing. So for that, I'm going to close my eyes with my 4 fingers and I'm going to use my thumb to cover my ear hole. Okay, and I close and I make a sound Om, and I hold the Om sound. I stretch as much as I can. Let me start. I'm going to close my eyes. Om. like this. I hold the home sound, and I'm holding my breath at that time. I stretch my breath, holding my breath as much as I can. So this is very beneficial, gives you a lot of health benefits. So just do this. I won't do more because the video will be more long. So I go to the next one. The next one will be Kapalabhati. I don't know the English word. It is called Kapalabhati. It's like breathing out, breathing out, breathing out. So when you breathe in, your tummy will pop out. Okay? When you breathe out, your tummy will go in. So please do that. This is very, very benefit. And if I do 10 or 20, I sweat at a time, and it will make your lungs very clear, and it's very benefit for many. It will chase away many diseases. So let's start doing that. Watch my tummy. It looks funny, but that's how it goes. I breathe in, my tummy comes out. Okay? This is very hard to do. I feel sweating in me. I feel so many changes in my body. So please do this 10 times, 3 rounds. Okay, 1 minute. Each round 1 minute. Okay, so like that 3 times. Every yoga poses 3 minutes. If you do in a 1 minute break, it will be very, very benefit. This is how it goes. So do this one more time and one more time. Okay, let me do one more time and I'll stop. I breathe in from nose and I exhale from my mouth. Okay, that's how I'm doing. When I breathe in, my tummy comes out, pops up. If you can do it more faster, please do it. If you can do it in this motion, you can do it in this motion. So this is also this rhythm. This is also good. Thank you for watching. Please do the pranayama. All these 4 exercises. The 4th one is meditation. I did 4. Last one is I did 4. First is Loma Viloma, nose one in and out. Second one is Brahmari, the breathing by closing eyes. The third one is Kapalbhati I did. The 4th one is meditation I do. For the meditation, you have to use these 2 fingers. This is called Dhyana Mudra. You have to close these 2 fingers on your knees. Keep your body straight. Concentrate on your breathing. Just breathe normal and concentrate on your breathing. You have to concentrate on your breathing just because your mind will not go here and there. Otherwise, you will be thinking. When you sit quietly, your mind will be thinking of so many things. Just to avoid that, if you concentrate on your breathing, you can do the yoga. Do it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, more than 10 minutes. This will be more good. And minimum 5 minutes you can sit in a day like this. It will benefit your health in many, many ways. So let me start doing meditation by closing my eyes. Right now I'll stop my video. Thank you for watching. Please do pranayama, breathing exercise.